So now I'm going to tell you, very exciting, there are 3 ways to do mechanics, and you've done the hard one. That's good. So let's just take a big picture view here for a second. Big picture. One way is forces, right? So that's what we've done for 6 weeks. We've done forces. And forces are good for what? The detailed kinematics. Because that's what you really love. You want to know the angle of the trajectory at every possible point in time, and when's it going to hit the pyramid. That's what you get from forces and doing the exact kinematics. And that's the hard, most mathematical one. Now we're going to do momentum. In principle, any problem you solved in the first 6 weeks, we can now solve with momentum. But these different methods are good for different things, right? So momentum is good for collisions and interactions. So if you have, you know, the thing where you're on a trampoline with another person, and if you hit right before they hit, it throws them way up in the air. I don't know if y'all are allowed to be on trampolines anymore, but if so, you would solve that with momentum rather than with forces. 3, energy. Energy is another way to solve mechanics problems, and it's good for problems where you just know what's going on in one state and you want to know what's going on later. The thing started here and it got to here. How fast is it going here? I don't care what happened in between. I just care about here and here. Then that's an energy problem. And of course, in reality, we mix them. Right? We'll have problems where you do this part with kinematics, then you use your momentum here. But really, they're all 3 doing the same thing over and over again, really. So we'll show you the connections between them as we go, okay?